Hello everyone and welcome to the another Hall of Fame for the International Growth Leadership Academy student who is actually achieved a wonderful success in his career. So let me welcome my mentee and first and foremost many congratulations on your achievement in the career acceleration mastery which is at a silver level. So help us understand what have you achieved by going through the camp.
Yeah, thank you, Rakesh. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And I think CAM is one of the most where it helps me to grow in my career. Before CAM, I was struggling to getting opportunities, but after that, I understand what is the process, what's the value of the time. Then I go through to find a job and mostly leads for jobs, and it will also help me to getting 2 or 3 opportunities after joining after 1 month in camp. So I think it's more valuable.
Okay, so help us understand what did you achieve out of this camp? What is your success?
Actually, I have no word to say anything, but I just want to explain one thing. I was getting 70% hike in my fix and approx 8% in variable. So it's about 100% growth in my salary. So
Wonderful.
it's a possible after joining camp.
Excellent. And how much time did you take for this?
It's not more than 1.5 months.
Wow, that's
So
amazing. So almost 100% hike within 1.5 months. That's absolutely amazing. So help us understand why did you join the camp in the first place? I'm sure you must be having an idea about the job and everything. So what was missing in your career so that you joined the camp?
actually, sir, I was missing career clarity first,
Okay.
and second, I was not aware how to make networking with the right people. So after came, I get career clarity, I get networking. The most thing which I found here is LinkedIn networking. So LinkedIn networking helped me to getting job and the right person. I get in touch with the right person from LinkedIn. So most probably, I give a I give appreciation to CAM for LinkedIn networking and career clarity. So the people can get in career clarity. Most thing is career clarity. Then you have to your networking. So if you leverage both, then you will get definitely success.
How about the salary?
So salary is not at par, but I am looking for risk.
It has the salary negotiation help you?
Approx 100%.
Okay.
It's salary negotiation helped me how to work salary breakup. So before that, I was not aware how to negotiate it in salary. But after came, I get negotiate in my salary.
Wonderful. Now, help me understand. I think you mentioned two or three aspects of it. One is definitely the clarity, which is the missing piece for most of the mid-level professionals like you, right? And despite that, they just continue to work and figure it out themselves. And apart from that, the LinkedIn as a networking platform and the salary structure and the salary negotiation portion of it. How is your experience for the Thursday sessions that we actually do it live when we actually talk about the live coaching? How has been
Uh,
your
Actually, it's amazing. I joined and I'm regular in session. So it's amazing. We are directly live asking you the questions. You give a answer probably all questions after answer. So we are different sectors people. They ask the questions and you eliminate the things right questions for the right answer. So it's helping a lot for all. So I just belong to FMCG sector. Some of that IT sector, some of infra sector. So the different types of questions, getting the clarity. So it's help a lot.
See, this is what we actually at an IGLA bring into the equation. Most of the people are lacking the exposure, and we are trying to
Correct.
bring in all the diversity of all the other industry, and at a very granular level, what are the complexities in the management and the leadership roles. And that is what we are bringing it up at the mid level, and which is what is helping not only you. I think there are so many success stories that we have gone through now, and all of them have come up with the same answer, that the Thursday session, the live coaching sessions are the breakthrough sessions for them, because they actually take up two or three things which are going to help them in the career as well. So help me understand very, very simply. If you have somebody, your friend, your colleague, or somebody like you who is actually still trying to figure it out themselves by going to various portal, applying hundreds of job every day, what would you advise them? What would you advise them?
Actually, I'm not advising anyone for the job. I firstly advise for the camp. They go through camp, and they go for the career clarity. After that, they apply job. So it will make sense. If you are applying the hundreds of job, you are not getting any calls. That's you are wasting your time and money as well. So you just go through a person who can lead you, who can guide you. Then you go for the job.
You
So I
very
think
much.
it's worked with me. So I advising you go for the cam or any leadership, any role who will help you to understand you, to guide you, to lead you. Then you go for the job.
Absolutely. And most of the people are very hesitant to ask for the help. That is the real challenge. They feel
Correct,
like,
correct.
okay, they have already learned a lot of things, so they need not have any help required. Unfortunately, at the middle level, especially in the middle management, you need the maximum help in order to grow exponentially in your career. Like this Manti, who has achieved almost 70% hike in fix and totals 100% of the uh, salary hike, it has been made possible within 2 months, 3 months. How much time will you take for you actually understand what it takes to have 100% hike? That is a question that everybody needs to ask themselves, because in the career accession mastery, for that matter, even the IGL Academy itself, we are focusing on unlocking the financial growth for the mid-level professionals like you. And I'm very glad, very, very happy about you and your success. Within very, very short time, I think you were the most enthusiastic person at your age group and the experience level who has decided to invest in yourself, and that has given you a lot of leverage as well. Now you are at least above par the industry, and I'm sure you will actually surpass more success in your upcoming career as well. So I want to wish you all the best and many, many congratulations on your success.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are watching this session, whether it is a replay on the YouTube or any other platform, please do not forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. You will be finding a lot of success stories like this on the playlist of success stories. So go watch, inspire yourself. And if you understand the value of this, then click on the link called rakesh.cc, that is rakesh.cc/masterclass, and register for my live masterclass so that I can meet you and give you the understanding how you can unlock your financial growth as well. Till we meet next time, take care of yourself and see you in the next Hall of Fame. Thank you and God bless.